Alright, so we got another System 9 MPU in. This one, as you can see, the battery's leaked on the board here. It didn't get too much into the reset section, just a little bit, but customer sent it in saying that the displays were having issues here, so I can imagine. And the backside of the board as well has quite a bit of alkaline damage there, so it'll be quite a bit of work, but we'll go ahead and get everything pulled off that's in that area and get the sanding it down. Alright, so we've got the MPU already. So we went ahead and abated all the alkaline that was there on the board. We had sure what that is. We had 2 traces on the top, I believe 1 or 2 on the bottom, a couple of through holes. So we went ahead and redid the, or just put in a modern reset generator in here rather than replacing everything. We went ahead and replaced all 19 headers there, and went ahead and resocketed both of the ROMs, and then both of the 6808s, and then also put the the 74154 into a socket as well, just because that was in the path of all the alkaline. So I've got a speech board hooked up here so we can actually get some sounds out of the board without putting a jumper on there, just because I already had some bench ROMs burnt. So we will go ahead and get her powered up. We've got all of our displays, get our lamp matrix dancing there, and we will go ahead and throw her into test. First one's going to be all the displays. And we've got all the lamps. And we'll move on to solenoids. Oh shit. Let me scroll back through. I accidentally clicked the button one too many times. There we go. There's the 16 and then the special solenoids. So we get all those working, and then switch test. Sorry. So we'll go ahead and run through the first row. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so bear with me. And then we'll go through the first column. And the last switch in Space Shuttle is switch 49. And customer had sent the board in with NVRAM already installed, so I've got this set up on free play, which is adjustment 18, and so there you are. Alright, well, everything's good to go. Thank you so much for sending it.